So today I'm at the Fuerteventura Princess Hotel in Jandia, Fuerteventura. Just going to have a walk around the hotel grounds. It's quite a big hotel, so there's plenty to see. A walk around the grounds, pools, and I'll show you at the end an area which is exclusive. It's a little bit quieter and it's exclusive for the premium and all-inclusive plus customers. Okay, so let's take a look round. Here we go, reception area. It's quite a big reception area actually. The bar just over there. So this is, the reception is actually on the second floor because it's built onto a bit of a hill. See at the end there where it says Esencia, that's the Esencia area for the all-inclusive plus customers. I'll show you around that later on. Down on the first floor, and that's the restaurant. It's close at the moment. Breakfast time, just finished. Some shops on the ground floor. And then we're through into the hotel grounds. So on this side, we've got a sports bar. Very busy at night. And that's the access to the Esencia area. second of the pools. These two quite big ones. The one where our activities are, form part of that. A little bar, cool bar. We're putting through to the snack bar. So on that side, we've got the snack bar. This side is the adults only area. That's the adults only bar. And we're heading towards the beach. Have a quick look around the adults only area. There's another little pool. And that way you can see the sea. This is how you access the beach. And now let's take a look at the Esencia area for the all-inclusive plus customers. This is a separate bar area. And there you can see the back of the restaurant which is a lot quieter than the main restaurant, and I'll show you that from the other side a little later. But also a much quieter, albeit a bit smaller, swimming pool. A lot easier to find sunbeds. And a separate restaurant, which has got a more limited range of similar things that are in the main restaurant, but it's a lot quicker, a lot quieter.